So you want to take your old jeans, you want to cut them up and you want to use them for crafts. Well, all I'm going to show you in this video is how to cut the jeans up, get the most out of them, get all those exciting little details, those little bits. And all I'm going to use is a pair of scissors, no rotary cutters in sight. So everyone can do this. And then you can go on to create whatever. Do you know, some people will even buy the bits that you've cut off. So let's get started.
We'll start with the legs of the jeans and we're just going to cut that hem off. It's really thick and it's great for some crafts, but it's not the best for others. So if we just cut it off, you'll find you get these nice rings that can be used for other projects. Quite often people will cut those rings up and cut the really chunky bit where the leg seam comes in and take that away. So let's put those to one side, unless you've got a craft idea you're going to run off and make with them. And we'll now look at that long leg seam. Now you've often on a pair of jeans got two seams. There's one that's like this, just an ordinary seam, not too thick, which you may or may not want to keep on your fabric. And there's that really thick seam, the doubled over one, you know the ones. Well, it runs all the way around up to the crotch, back down the other leg, and we're going to cut it off. So just pick one side or the other, and you're just going to run all the way up. And the trick here really is just to stay alongside it. And this is exactly the sort of item that people might buy off you if you don't have any craft projects you want to use it with. If you're strictly a sewer and you really just want to do patchworks and those sorts of crafts, then you probably want the big piece of fabric from the leg, which incidentally we're maximising by doing this. So you could look if somebody else wants them. But they are great for handles, making jewellery. You could make plant pots by wrapping it around a tin can. Oh, it's endless. I mean, you look online, you will find loads of crafts. And as I'm just cutting around here, I'm just going to say this is one way of cutting your jeans up to maximise your return. But be careful that you know what project you want to make before you set off. For example, I'll put it on the screen and in the description below that I make a nice mobile phone stand out of the leg of a pair of jeans. So you want to keep it as a leg to make that project. So that's just one example of where you might want to cut them up differently. So this is all about getting the most out of the jeans, but if you have a certain project you may want the leg as a leg. Right, so we've got to the other end and you can see I'm making some big pieces of fabric here. And now all you need to do is cut the other side of that seam off. So you're just going to do exactly what you just did. Run up that seam and cut it off. Now you'll notice I keep adjusting the trousers. You don't want to cut any of the other fabric, so just be careful. And obviously at the top when you cut over the other seam it'll be a little bit stiff, a little bit difficult, but you can get through. And then right down to this end. So you're getting a really good long run of seam there, which is, as I say, great for handles and that sort of project. So just going to roll that up and then I can put it to one side. You can see how long it is. Admittedly, these are a man's jeans, so he had long legs. Well, he's still got long legs, but he doesn't wear these jeans. So you can see you've got that big piece. Now you may want to cut that seam out, and that's absolutely fine. But until you've decided on your project, I suggest you leave it there because you've got a massive piece of fabric that you can use, and it may become a feature. So now let's deal with the top of the jeans. And again, there's lots of details we might want here. And also we want to maximise the big piece of fabric we're getting. So I tend to start by cutting that seam out that goes up to the waistband. Now a lot of jeans, this pair included, you don't go all the way up to the waistband because there's a set-in section at the top. So just go to that first seam that you come to. If there isn't a set-in section, then you can just go up to the waistband. But most have that shaped piece. And you can cut that off or you can leave it attached to the top. It's up to you. So back round to the front, I'm going to set off cutting off the detailing at the top of these jeans. And I'm going to do it like this because it does leave you with something useful. If you look online, you will find projects using all these top bits. If you keep the top as a top, I don't mean that, in the form it is, and don't do what I'm doing now, you can make a great apron. And again, I'll link to my tutorial for doing that. It's a lovely craft apron or a gardening apron. But assuming you just want to get rid of this top section and use that for a project in its own right, just snip round the fly. You can see I'm working my way around, having a bit of trouble because of the denim piece behind. And on jeans, there's a standard way they're made, but there's also a little bit of variability. So you just have a look at yours. And then I'm going to set off along the waistband, going round the belt loop. I may or may not want the belt loop on there. So if I leave it on there for now, I've got that option. And I'm working there to go round the pocket. So I want to keep that pocket seam there. So I'm just going as close to it as I can. Now I'm having a bit of trouble with the pocket underneath. You can just cut that pocket off and get it out of your way if you prefer. But I've persevered and oh yeah, it's going a lot better now. And I'm round to that side seam. So I'm just going to cut that pocket out of the side seam. You could pull it out, you could just cut it like I'm doing. It just needs to get disconnected so that it's not connected to our big piece of leg fabric that we want. And then I'm going to go over that side seam and then up towards that top section seam. And then I'm going to run along that seam. And that'll take us all the way around the back. So it'll take us over to the centre back seam, which will be very thick. And you'll have the choice. You can just keep going and cut along. Or you can leave that seam that you've already cut attached to it. So for the moment, I'm going to leave it attached to it. I haven't decided on the projects for this pair of jeans, so I'm trying to leave things how they are. I know I want to make some things with big pieces, but I don't know what I'm going to do with the top section, so I'll just keep it how it is. And then when you get back to the side seam, the other side seam, you're going to just go down along the side seam, just making sure I get right there, and go under that pocket again. So I hope you're enjoying this and finding it useful. And if you do think it's useful and a good way to get the fabric out of your jeans, then please give it a thumbs up so it spreads to more people. So many people get rid of so many pairs of jeans every year. It'd be great if they don't go in landfill. And we're making lots of things with them. One of my favourites is actually really simple flowers that you can attach to any project. You know what I'm going to say. I'll link to it. But I do love them. They're just so simple. And there's a template, so you can just cut them out from any denim and make those. So keep going under that belt loop and to the fly. And then we're just going to turn and go down this side of the fly. And down to the bottom of that seam. And now we should have two completely separate pieces. Well, three actually. We've got the oh, there's the labels I managed to cut off as I work my way around. So I'll just get rid of those. So the top section looks something like this. Obviously you can cut those pockets out. And the back like that. And you'll see that back shape is used in quite a few projects. And then you've got these giant legs, if you've got trousers from a man anyway, with quite a straight leg. But still with the pockets on. Now you have a choice. You can leave the pockets there. There are a lot of projects where you keep the pocket. Or you could, using some small scissors or a seam ripper, take that pocket off. And you'll actually have a different coloured denim underneath, which might be quite nice for patchwork. And you'll have the pocket for maybe another craft project. So what you can see is we've ended up with the two big pieces of fabric from the legs, the top section, and some seams from around the hem and round both legs. So I hope that's useful and you're going to enjoy doing your upcycled jeans denim projects. Thank you for watching and good luck with all your jeans as you keep them out of landfill.